Pinakilala na ni Realme ang Realme 12 Pro Series 5G. At una nating kilalanin si Realme 12 Pro Plus 5G. Kung gusto nyo malaman ang price nito, make sure na panoorin nyo ang buong video. Sa ngayon, pag-usapan muna natin ang kanyang specs and features. Meron itong 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Curved Vision AMOLED Display with 1080 by 2412 pixel resolution. May up to 120Hz refresh rate with 0.55mm double reinforced glass screen protection at meron siyang 950 nits peak of brightness. Ang Realme 12 Pro Plus 5G ay may operating system na Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 14 with Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 4nm chipset na may Adreno 710 na GPU. Ang smartphone na to ay may 8 or 12GB of RAM plus 12GB dynamic RAM with 128 or 256GB of internal storage at ito ay non-expandable. Ang Realme 12 Pro Plus 5G ay may triple rear camera setup with 50MP Sony IMX890 main camera with OIS plus 64MP periscope portrait camera with OIS plus 8MP ultra-wide camera with LED flash, HDR, and panorama. At kaya nito mag-record ng video up to 4K at 30fps. At meron siyang 32MP selfie camera with 1080p at 30fps video recording. Sa kanya namang battery, meron siyang 5000 mAh battery capacity with 67W SUPERVOOC charge. Sa security, meron siyang under-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. At ito ay may super linear dual speakers with Dolby Atmos and high-res audio. Sa dimensions, meron siyang 161.47 by 74.02 by 8.75mm at may timbang na 196 grams with IP65 water and dust resistance at ito ay may dual SIM. Sa connectivity, meron siyang 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, QSS, NFC, and USB Type-C. Ngayon, dito na tayo sa kanyang price. Ang estimated price ng Realme 12 Pro Plus 5G ay around 20,300 pesos. Ito ay price conversion lamang at pwede pa ito magbago kung sakaling magiging available ito sa Philippines. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Sulit ba ang Realme 12 Pro Plus 5G? Please comment down below. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang videong ito, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, like at i-click ang notification bell. Maraming salamat. Peace!